why we can go with the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, that's easy to see. 9 twos are 18, come sing with me. 9 threes are 27, we're moving along. 9 fours are 36, just like this song. 9 fives are 45, we're on a roll. 9 sixes are 54, let's reach our goal. 9 sevens are 63, clap your hands. 9 eights are 72, it's simple to understand. 9 nines are 81, getting near. 9 tens are 90, loud and clear. Let's repeat the table, it's easy to do. Sing it with me, and we'll get through. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. 9 times this and 9 times that. Multiplying 9 is where it's at. Step by step, the numbers rise. Let's keep going, it's no surprise. You've learned the table, and now you know. With the table of 9, you're ready to go. Keep practicing, and you'll be great. Multiplying 9 is always first rate.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.